Okay, my friends, so now we're going to do the unit costs of the Sibeli's pizzas in dollars per square inch for each one of them. I was going to do this in a spreadsheet, but I'm not going to. Maybe I'll do that later. I'll do this one I'm going to use Google as a calculator versus just doing this on the board. I've done this a couple times already. I'm not sure if anybody kind of paid attention to that, but I'm going to pull a Google window over here, and then I'm going to use it as a calculator. Simply, I know I have to do $12.95 divided by 79 square inches. So I'm going to do $12.95 divided by 79. As soon as I get back to my window, that is. I managed to lose my window somehow. I'll just open another one. All right, so I'm going to do $12.95 divided by 79, and I get the number 0.1639. So that's the number part of the calculation, 0.1639. But what is that? Well, that's 16 cents. That's 16 cents. We divided dollars by square inches. So that 0.16 is in dollars. It's 0.16 of a dollar, which is 16 cents. So that is 16 cents per square inch. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to be a little bit creative here. I'm going to insert a column to the right here and just add it in. Insert a column to the right. There we go. Unit cost in dollars per square inch. And maybe spell dollars correctly. Wow, I spelled it so. Okay, so we know that this is about 16 cents per square inch. There we go. So that's the unit cost of the personal. Let's see what the medium is. It's $16.95 per 154 square inches. All right. So that's $16.95. I can just change this to $16.95. What is it, 154? I think that was right. And that's going to be about 11 cents per square inch. There we go, 11 cents per square inch. Sick. How about the large? So far, medium is cheaper than personal. Okay, per square inch. It's a more expensive pizza. But if you break it out by square inches, which you will see down here what a square inch actually looks like, it's going to be less per each of those square inches. Let's see if the trend continues with the larges. $24.95, $2.54. $24.95, $2.54. $24.95 and 254 square inches. So this is about 10 cents a square inch. So check the rounding on that one. It's 0.098. So we're going to call that 10 cents a square inch. So yes, once again, it's cheaper. And last but not least, the giant, $29.95 for 452. $29.95 for 452 square inches, coming in at 7 cents a square inch. 7 cents per square inch. All right. So even though the giant costs like 2.5 times as much as the personal costs about 2.5 times per square inch as much as the giant. And that's the beauty of unit cost. Yes, the personal might seem like the best deal, but it's only if you define best deal as cheapest pizza. The giant is actually the best deal if you're trying to minimize the actual cost per what you eat. Not minimize the cost of the product you're buying, but minimizing the cost of what you actually eat. Pretty cool, huh? Try the next few.